Hello guys, how are you? Welcome to my YouTube channel Tech Overdrive. Today we will learn about HTML and I will lecture you about HTML basics. So let's start with opening Notepad++ and wait a minute guys. Okay guys. So let's start. So first is what is HTML5? HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language and it is easy and fun to learn. HTML describes the structure of web pages. HTML is the fifth and the current major version of HTML standard. So, why learn HTML5? Why should we learn HTML5? It is essential to learn HTML5. If you want to build websites and web applications, you can build it without knowing HTML because it is one of the first programming languages that every programmer should learn. So this would be our first code. So we will start with these are called syntaxes. Okay. So we will start with the syntax. HTML. Sorry. HTML. HTML. And first is head. Head. Now we will write our web page title. Type title. Now is we have to close title and what would be our title? So the title would be practice. You can choose it on your own. Sir. Title is the name of your website and we will close title with this. This is called, I don't know what is this called. It is used for closing any syntax. Uh, for example, on the last we will write, when we finish our program we will write like this HTML because we started off HTML and we also should end it. So title. This is body. We have done with head and now we will what the content is we will write the content in body. So body. So to write a heading you should know what is heading and to write heading we use H1. And what should be heading? Practice set. And we will close the head H1. And now we will write a paragraph. So to write a paragraph use P and this is /p. Now we will close body. As I have closed head, so we also have to close body. Now the final is we have to close our whole file with HTML, and now it is done. So to use it, to see how our website looks, we have to save it. Click on Ctrl S, or we can also right click or and select so now we will see our website with. Click on save and no, I have done a mistake. It is right. And we will search. One. Yeah. So this is our file, and we will open it. So it is loading. It may take some time. I think there is some problem. Yeah. So guys, as you can see, so this was title practice set, and you can see here, you can see practice set, and this was the heading. And heading was practice set, and you can see here heading, and this is a paragraph. This paragraph under P, and you can see there is also paragraph. So now we will continue. So next part is, so there is a question, where can I edit and create HTML files? So you can use Notepad, you can use Notepad++, you can use text edit, you can use Sublime text editor, and you can use Vim, you can use Atom, you can use Visual Studio Code, you can use brackets, you can use Quora, which is an Android app. Quora is an Android app. So you can, and it means that you can also create HTML files in Android. I have also created Quick Edit, also Android app, Droid Edit, also Android app, and HTML editor, also Android app. Mm, yeah, Decoder. This is also an Android app to create HTML files. So you have to remember that when you save it, I show you. When you save it, you have to write any file name, and in the end of file name you have to write s.html, like this is new one. So if I have to convert it in HTML5, then you have to new one dot html. If you don't write dot html, then your file will, where is html, hypertext markup language, yeah. So you can also write, you can also select the file type from this drop down, or you can also type like this. I show you HTML. There should be a dot here. Yeah. New one dot HTML. New one already exists. No, you can save it. So this was how to create HTML file and save it. Now, now let's learn about HTML elements. So what is HTML elements? In the first lesson, we have studied about tags and things like start tag and end tag. In HTML, element is usually composed of a start tag element content as an end tag. So now we will study about different elements here. So we have already studied about how to write paragraph. I'll show you. And now how to write cursive writing in paragraph in HTML. So it is very simple. I will show you. Inside of P, you can write I, and you can close I here. So our base paragraph is now converted into cursive writing. So now I will show you that HTML attributes. So what are HTML attributes? HTML attributes are used to add more information in an HTML element. So an HTML attribute includes attribute name in equal sign, a value surrounded by quotation marks. For what are quotation marks? These are called quotation marks. Attribute length. So we can also change the language of our website by using length. So HTML lang means language. Lang is equal to one quotation mark English US would be right. Yes. And we will close it with one more quotation mark. And now our website language is changed to English of US. Now we will use how to, when we click on a button, then it will be redirected to another page. How can we do that? So we can use href example. So here will be a text. We have to write under body a ref is equal to then what will be f over drive dot daddy sites dot com. This is my website name, and we will close it one more quotation mark, and we will close it, and we will enter text go to my site to my website, and we will close it. So when you so I will show you now what is changed. So we will click on save and move on. Open costly practice set. There you can see go to my website. So when you click on go to my website, you can go to my website. As you can see, the link is here and the text. When we closed a href, we use here text. So when we click on go to my website, we will go to our website after removing this. Okay. So now the next example is attribute title example in link. So we can also do like this. As you can see, we can also write the title. A array is equal to has slash has link and title is equal to. Now we will see what will happen. We will see our website. As you can see, when we click, there is a title. Go to my website. Now I will now show you how to style an element. As you can see, in paragraph, I will style this is a paragraph text. I will stylize this is a paragraph text. So to do that, I will show you how to do that. I will remove I. Now T style. T style is equal to font size. Now I will change the font size to 40 px. Color to gold. And we will do like this. Each style is equal to font size. And now guys, we will save it. And again. So you can see its text size is changed to 40 px and color is now golden. So we will now continue. Then I will show you how to write comment. So this was today's class. In this part we covered so much, and in the next video we will learn more about HTML. Okay guys, so please subscribe my channel and like my video if you like it. Bye. See you in the next class.